So how we can drive engagement using for Facebook Premier option. So how to using for Facebook Premier option to engagement your drive the traffic for particular post. In this purpose, simple technique we can use. Go to option name is Facebook Creator Studio. Simple thing facebook.com/creator studio option. This will be option will be here. In this one, we have notify the some option will be here in the header option. Careful to watch header option will be creation crash course here Instagram IGTV and never miss important comment connect to Instagram and here drive engagement with the premier option. Upload the video. First of all, select your video option. So I'm going to selecting any one video here. So here, first of all, how to create customer reach ads campaign on the Facebook option. So here, selecting page. This video to engagement audience by using premier option. And here we can ask for compulsory you have to put for the tags will be compulsory important. Make it as a thumbnail. Add thumbnail. Compulsory thumbnail adding is motion should important. Without thumbnail, if people getting for problem for a particular option will be. So here, how to create the custom reach ads in here. Particular customer reach ads. Done. Subtext CC will be here. We can go by auto generated. We can create by polls option. We can give the tracking here. Facebook tutorial. Add your digital Rakesh. All options are here. Next option. Here video post will be here. Publish now on the newsfeed option. On time we can go for premier option. The video will be go to as the premier option. Here video post publish now. Now this video will be reached to audience. You can now publish video as a premier option. Now publish. After publish this video, how can show the customers in the particular Facebook page? Now you can wait for seconds. The video going to process here. Now refresh. It will be publishing for as a live option. To engage the customer will be live option. Always selecting option will be here. And you're looking for this option. Drive engagement with the premiere. On average, while watching premiere, viewers comment 5 times more during the live premiere than when the video are seen afterwards. So this one. So yeah. Now it is going for upload this video here. So I have to wait for the certain seconds to upload the video here. It will be done by only for 90%. You have to wait for the some seconds. The video will be show the customer will be live premiere option, live streaming option. There's a benefit for to engage the customer on the premiere option. So now user posting for here to wait for the some seconds. So here premiere option always don't forget. On average, while watching premiere, viewer comment 5 times more during the live premiere than when videos are seen afterwards. So yeah. Now it is running for the video will be here. In this video, to the customer will be watching for live option. Yes, again. Is it clear? This is a video we can show to the customer by the live option by the Facebook premium option. This is engagement will be more rich. So the customer will be engaged by particular audience option.